So good day. For this video assessment, we're going to get the estimated position, dead reckoning, and running fix. I am Cadet Ando Bien Ivan Pimentel from Dash 1. Okay, first, meron yung nakakita daw tayo ng Lighthouse 1, South Stock Lighthouse sa course na 330. Okay? Then nakakita din tayo sa kabila ng Lighthouse Laura na merong 045 degrees. Okay. Yan. So, ang heading ng barko natin sa bilis na 10 knots sa oras na 0-100 ay 095 degrees. Okay. Pwedeng dito ako mag-dead reckoning. Pwedeng dito ako mag-dead reckoning. Pero gusto ko dito ako mag-dead reckoning. Yan. Next, we're going to get the dead reckoning. So, nag-dead reckoning daw tayo. Ano ang formula? Eh di yung speed, time, divide mo sa 60. Ang bilis ng barko natin, 10 nautical miles. Divide 60 times 60 divide 60 equal 10 nautical miles. So with the divider of 10 nautical miles. So yung ship mo daw ay nandito nung 0800. Okay. Next, we're going to get the estimated position. Dahil yung dagat merong current na 5 nautical miles, we will solve the same formula. 5 nautical miles times 60 minutes divided by 60 is equal to 5 nautical miles. So, 5 nautical miles daw. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, yung barko natin, nandito siya nung 0800 dahil merong current. Okay. Hinyan natin. Okay. Oy. Next, para makuha yung running fix, idadrag natin yung LOP1 natin hanggang mag-meet sila ni estimated position. Okay. Okay, dadrag natin tong LOP1 natin hanggang mag-meet sila ni estimated position at yan ang ating running fix sa oras na 0800. Nandyan daw yung barko natin. So, thank you.